Hi guys and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel that has the best of the best when it comes to crazy and epic bikers encounters. Of course, today's episode is packed with crazy situations and all that's left for us is to sit back and enjoy. This biker just arrived at the scene of a heated road rage. We don't know what led to this, but these guys were furious and it's about to get really bad soon. This biker quickly realized that he was at the wrong time and at the wrong place, and his life was in danger as well. He angrily shouted at the bikers in front to keep moving because he didn't want to be a part of this at all. This driver didn't like how fast the biker passed him, and instead of minding his own business and continuing with his own drive, he decided to turn around and follow the biker all the way up. When he pulled up to him, he even brandished a gun. Check out this crazy situation. This biker freshly modified his mini bike, and when he went out for a test ride, this angry Darren appeared. It's important to note that this is a private property and not a public road as he stated. Check out this crazy encounter.
Not be riding that on a road.
This isn't the road.
Yes it is.
Okay.
As far as the Road Traffic Act goes, it's a road.
Okay.
Okay? You should have insurance for that.
Okay.
You got a licence?
I don't have to talk to you.
You do have to talk. Well, don't talk to me. I'll talk to the police then. I'll go and call them.
Okay.
Where do you live?
Down there.
What's the address?
I don't have to tell you anything.
Okay. I'll do it your way. Get my warrant card and then you'll have to tell me.
Okay.
Biker went inside a store to buy something for himself, and while he was casually chatting with one of the employees, he asked her if she is watching YouTube. This is where things started to get heated. She didn't want herself to be posted there and well, let's just say that the biker had other plans.
You watch YouTube?
Do I?
You gonna be on there?
Why? That's illegal.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is to record me without my permission.
I don't know why everybody thinks that's illegal.
Yeah, but I don't like that.
It's not illegal.
Don't put me on YouTube. That's not cool.
Now I gotta put you on there.
Yeah, that's not cool.
Now I gotta put you on there.
But I'm serious.
No, this is for my safety.
But don't put me on YouTube. Is not for my safety. Don't put
No,
me on
no.
YouTube.
Come here. I said this is for my safety.
But don't put me. I don't care which for your safety. Don't put me on YouTube.
What's your name?
You don't even know that.
I know it now. I know it now. Where am I paying at? Right here? Or over there?
Right here.
Better cover that name tag up.
He said he put me on YouTube. I'll record it.
Hey, look, I'm gonna tell you something. Whether you like it or not, I'm gonna be a nice guy and not put you on there.
Yeah.
But I can do whatever I want.
But that's not cool though.
I record everything, and you're in a building that has cameras everywhere. You're being recorded all day long.
I don't even know you.
You just didn't even know that I was recording. See, if I didn't say nothing, you would have never known.
I think it's weird that you're going around recording.
I'm on a motorcycle. It's the safety. Things happen.
You're not on a motorcycle now. You're in the
Trust me, I don't feel like taking all this stuff off. It's way too much gear to take off all the time.
For me. How you doing?
You really think that's how it works?
What?
You think that's how it works?
How what works?
that people can't record? You think you're super special? That you?
I think it's weird for you to go around recording someone, and I think it's kind of invading my privacy.
It's not invading privacy at all. You're in a public place, love.
You know your name, so if I see anything that,
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna report you to the police.
You're gonna report me to the police for what?
Yep.
For what? I'm asking you.
You need to swipe your card.
I did.
No, you did not.
I did. It said please remove card.
Worrying about recording someone, you need to swipe your
Yeah.
card.
Okay.
You're really wasting my time.
All right, Shanika.
Have a good day.
What's your problem? You got an attitude. I'm definitely putting you on there now. I was gonna be nice. It's okay. But you came off with an attitude because you thought you were just being recorded. You're not special.
I am, maybe not to you.
You're not to me. You're not. You're not. So I don't need your attitude, okay? I don't. I really don't. I didn't appreciate it. Yeah, she's mad because I have my video camera recording and it's against the law to her.
To help him with his, he asked me if I like.
This is for safety for my motorcycle. She's worried about it.
I'm not worried about it. When I helped you with self checkout, you said, "Did you watch YouTube?"
I asked you a question. I asked everybody that.
Because I want to put you on YouTube.
Ma'am, hey, you just giving me footage, okay? I was very nice to you, but if you want to be like that, then so be it.
Please do not put me on YouTube because that's invading my privacy.
That's not invading anybody's privacy.
Have a great day.
You too, love. Check it out next week.
This driver pulled out in front of the biker without even attempting to look. But instead of your usual hollering and shouting at each other, check out how this road rage turned out. I think that every road rage situation should be handled like this one.
Mas qual filme todo?
Viste, não viste?
Mas tens que te mandar e tu não me viste.
É pá,
Por favor, digo eu, meu. Olha lá, desculpa lá, só uma coisa. Mas, desculpa, porquê que não reconhece o erro? Porquê que não reconhece o erro e pedes desculpa em vez de estares a mandar vir?
eu estou a pedir desculpa porque tu viste.
Mas porquê que não reconhece o erro? Não reconheces que fizeste merda? Eu estou tranquilo.
Vamos ser práticos.
Eu estou tranquilo. Agora, foda-se, não comeces a mandar vir, meu.
Não, mas eu só estou a dizer, vamos ser práticos. Não
Mas eu estou a ser prático. Não estou aqui a arranjar merda agora. Foda-se.
já a merda. Tipo, se eu me atravessasse, eu disse, não viste. Isto na boa. Porque é que vamos complicar? Não é? Não viste?
Pá, mas não estamos a complicar. A questão...
Para desviar de mim.
Não fiz manobra nenhuma radical, mas foda-se, meu, vês que vem um gajo, é só travar um bocadinho, mas estou na paz, meu.
Na boa, meu.
Pronto,
Na boa.
tranquilo.
Não me ia atirar para a frente nem pôr-te em perigo. A derrota desde quase que nasci. E respeito, super. Mas se fosse daquela aí, eu vou meter a tirar a mandar o gajo. Eu não, fiz foi naquela base, ok?
Tá bem, meu, mas um gajo vem na faixa, é só chato.
Por isso, desculpa aí, mas...
Não, mas é tranquilo.
Base, ok, eu vi-me, vai, na boa.
Estou tranquilo, não fica chateado nem nada, é só tipo,
Era falta...
é preciso um gajo ter cuidado, meu. Só isso.
All hell broke loose when this biker noticed a driver using his phone in traffic. Check out how the argument went down.
Are you driving and you're using your phone? Your phone, yeah. That's it? Finish?
This lady passed the biker in a turning lane 2 feet away. It was really close, and we have an aftermath of the situation here.
I like how you got real nice and close to me there.
I moved when I saw you turn there, and I went around you.
Like you did, I got it on video.
Well, I didn't mean to get close to you. You know you were turning in there, so I went around you. That's all. I wasn't gonna hit you.
You're a little close to me there.
Well, I saw you.
Yeah, sure you did. Okay. That's how people like me die, because people like you think you're fun. Huh?
I'm right on the back of the bike, so I know.
That don't mean you don't drive a bike. That don't mean shut up.
When driver made a sharp left turn and he almost hit the biker. That move really made the biker upset and he hit his mirror, and the crazy road rage argument unfolded as well. When the biker pulled over to argue with him, Of course, this self-entitled driver didn't want to accept the blame at all. He even stated that he had to swerve to the biker's lane because he had another biker who was on his right, which is a complete lie.
तुम्ही थांबलं पाहिजे, तुम्ही लेन चेंज नाही केली पाहिजे, लेन्स नाही चेंज केली पाहिजे तुम्ही. म्हणून तुम्ही माझ्या अंगावर येणार, माझ्या साईडला पण बघा ना. त्यांना विचारा काय केलं, त्यांना विचार, उसको त्यांना विचारा ना. मी मूर्ख आहे, चला मी तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ दाखवू, व्हिडिओ आहे माझ्याकडे.
मान्य करतो मी, माझी गाडी लेफ्ट साइडला आली, माझा पण तुम्ही थोडा प्रॉब्लेम समजून घ्या ना.
कोण होतं तुमच्या बाजूला? बाईकवाला कोणी नव्हता.
पुढे गेला तुम्ही बघा ना. बरोबर होता. खोटं कशाला बोलेल?
दाखवू मी माझ्याकडे व्हिडिओ, आपण बघू. खरं असेल
माझी गाडी लेफ्टला आली, मी स्वतः सांगतो ना, माझ्या बाजूला.
This is your typical self-entitlement syndrome. Two drivers stopped in the middle of the road to talk, and when the biker honked at them, one of them even got mad, and he tried to argue with the biker.
Yeah, Hannes, exactly. You stop in the middle of the road, isn't it? Like, why do you do that?
Check out how the biker schools this driver about proper use of indicators. This is a lesson we all need to hear.
मैं पीछे से बीच में बचता आपके अभी. नहीं सर, आप बीच में गाड़ी नहीं रोक सकते हो ऐसे सड़क के बिना. आपने इंडिकेटर दिया कोई? आपने अभी पहले भी इस तरफ को ऐसे मोड़ी ना गाड़ी. आपने ऐसे तेज गाड़ी मोड़ी ना अभी इस तरफ को भी. ऊपर से आप मुझे कह रहे हो कि डिस्टेंस रखना चाहिए. अरे आप इंडिकेटर तो देते हो ना गाड़ी के रुकने के लिए. आप वैसे टर्न टून देते हो, इंडिकेटर तो देते हो ना गाड़ी के. अच्छा, तब अगर कभी पुलिस वाले खड़े हो तो देते हो, वैसे तो नहीं देते हैं. मतलब दीदी आप यूज करते हो ना इंडिकेटर? आपको पता है ना कहाँ पे है इंडिकेटर? ठीक, बस यही पूछ रहा हूँ. कहाँ जा रहे हो आप? 17D में कहाँ पे? हाँ तो ये सामने से जाओ ना, आगे जाके आगे जाओ, आगे से लाइटों से राइट लो, फिर लेफ्ट लो, सीधा सामने पार्किंग है, वहाँ पार्क करो आराम से. और इंडिकेटर.
These bikers were doing double the speed limit, and the officer who passed them by picked their speed up. Unfortunately, he couldn't stop, and the bikers thought that they were safe. However, he called the patrol that was up ahead the road, and they pulled the bikers over. Check out what happened.
Game over.
Uh-oh.
That's what speed does around that curve. Driver's license, because the deputy you passed had you at about 100 miles an hour.
That's 50 back there?
This is 50.
Around the corner.
From Zumbro Falls up to the highway is 50.
Oh,
Yes, yes, sir.
wow, okay.
So the deputy you passed had you guys, group of 3, at about 100.
Okay.
Whether it is or isn't, we're having a little conversation.
Yeah.
So honestly, how fast were you coming around the corner? It wasn't 50.
This corner?
Yeah.
I really don't know.
That's 50 miles an hour.
Okay.
We just hauled the guy away. I think I already said that.
Yep.
I know these are a blast. I know why you guys come over here and ride Highway 60, but it's 50 miles an hour.
Yeah.
So take care.
I will.
There's the finger shake. Slow down. I don't
Thank
want
you
to pick
very
one of you up off the highway.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Be careful and have
Safe,
fun.
guys.
We will.
Have fun.
I can't lie to you guys. When I first watched this video, I thought the biker crashed, but it was just his camera that fell off, because it wasn't mounted properly. The sticker didn't hold that good, and we hope the camera survived. This is what happens when you don't pay attention at your mirrors, and this driver was fortunate enough not to cause an accident. Well guys, unfortunately we reached the end of yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope you enjoyed in this one as well. More importantly, I hope you managed to learn a thing or two on how to behave in certain situations. If you like my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit the subscribe button because it really helps a lot. Until the next one, ride safe and eyes wide open.